Our top story at 6, many of the state's leading medical doctors are now calling for state laws to ban assault-style weapons.
It comes after the Annunciation church and school tragedy back in August. Tim Blotz joins us now from the newsroom. And Tim, a lot of these doctors today had direct involvement in the aftermath of the Annunciation shooting, as I understand it.
Yeah, you have to understand that many of these doctors see and treat the aftermath of gun violence, and some of them on a daily basis. But they say this was so much different because Annunciation involved children, and a lot of them. Now, leading doctors from across the state gathered at the Capitol this afternoon demanding stricter gun laws. Among them was Dr. Patricia Valusik of Children's Minnesota, who had to treat a number of these young victims from Annunciation School.
I've had some time to reflect on what happened to our community. I am angered that my initial thought upon hearing that we were receiving multiple children from a school shooting was, we knew this would happen to us someday. How do we live in a society that knows this will happen again and does nothing to prevent it? We cannot let this moment pass without making a change, without moving our feet.
We're not coming at this as Democrats or Republicans. We're coming at this as unabashedly pro-child. And I think if we all put our politics aside and think about what makes common sense here, that we all know what to do.
Now, the doctors have 4 demands of state lawmakers. The first, a statewide ban on assault weapons. Second, a statewide ban on high-capacity magazines. Third, a requirement for firearms to be stored, locked, and unloaded separate from ammunition. And number 4 here is a removal of the prohibition on cities to enact stricter firearms regulations than the state. Democrats have proposed many of these initiatives, but Republicans want to focus on mental health and school safety. Governor Walz today spoke about the impasse that's happening.
Very, very frustrating, because right now they want to talk about everything other than guns. We're still working it. Still working it.
Yeah, there you see the governor still trying to get some kind of agreement on a special session. Getting back to the doctors here, they say that this is very much a public health issue, not a political issue, and needs to be treated like a public health issue.